Today we talk about how can you enable allow job notifications on your post notifications on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, just go down, click on my Learning down here, come to this list here, then you click on your name. So then you come to your profile, go above this sign, click on it, and you come to this list here, then you go down, you keep going down here, click here on account settings. So then you come to this list, you just switch into open video. It's going to take a time, and you click here on notifications. So then come to this list here, then you click here on hearing someone here, and come to this list, you come to allow job post notifications, clicking this sign. Then like you see this color show for us as mean allow job post notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.